And this was a hit, so if you have a chance to make this, give it a try. It's a great healthy snack. It's just zucchini and pineapple juice and a little lemon juice. So I made some of the mock pineapple zucchini. It is so delicious. Today I'm going to make a bunch and freeze dry it and see how that turns out. So this one I'm going to try just adding pineapple juice with no sugar. And after it cooks, we'll see how it tastes. Let's go. You do want to peel the zucchini first. I use a potato peeler because I find it the easiest. I'm just gonna chop it into, on these bigger ones, you need to get the middle part out. And I use a ice cream scoop and just scoop it out. Then I just cut it into slices that then just get cut into little chunks, like pineapple chunks. I already cut up zucchini. This is 16 cups is what we need for one batch. Okay, so I'm gonna make another batch of the freeze-dried mock pineapple. So this one I'm gonna try just adding pineapple juice with no sugar. And after it cooks, we'll see how it tastes. Put this on high until it comes to a boil. Time to turn it down. Set a timer for 20 minutes and let it soften up. The canning recipe calls for 1.5 cups lemon juice. I don't know if that's for flavor or for helping preserve it because it's canning, so it would help change the acidity of the zucchini, so to make it safe. I went ahead and added 2/3 cups. It did help add a little tanginess to it. So this one with the pineapple juice and the lemon juice. It's not very good. It's just not very good. Maybe after it dehydrates though, it'll definitely be more intense and sweet, I'm sure, because everything seems to get that way. But I don't think it's gonna compare to the one with sugar, unfortunately. But it might be okay. Let's see. All right, we're gonna ladle this onto the Harvest Stripe pan. Okay, so the one recipe made 2 trays. They're still too warm to get started, so I'm just gonna let them cool down the rest of the way. Okay, into the freeze dryer it goes. This is scary trying to put it in here. I baked it all up, but it's time to try it. Very pineapple-y. It's like pineapple styrofoam. I'm not kidding. Since there's no added sugar to this, it's a really nice snack for my granddaughters. And they absolutely love it. I brought it down here to school so that my students can give it a try. They tried the mock pineapple with the sugar in it and loved it. This one doesn't have sugar, so I'm gonna give it to them tomorrow and we'll see what they think. But I think they're gonna love it too. It's the end of the day and this was a hit. So if you have a chance to make this, give it a try. It's a great healthy snack. It's just zucchini and pineapple juice and a little lemon juice as well. If you don't have a freeze dryer or access to one, I would think you could try to make it in a food dehydrator with the little silicone tray where you make fruit leather. I mean, the worst thing that could happen is you'd end up with like lumpy fruit leather, but it would still have the same flavor. So I would say definitely give this a shot. I'll leave a link to my zucchini playlist at the end of this video if you need more ideas for what to do with your zucchini.